To start off with your great big greeting? Hello. Yes. It's a little greeting, actually. We try to be silly around here. And you know what? She can tell you what kind of parrot she is, too. Keto, she's a... Yeah, there it is. A little bit of that mimicry for you again. And it's just the beginning. She's been here at Disney's Animal Kingdom for quite a while and has picked up on some animal noises as well, just around here. And right around the corner at Maharaja Jungle Trek, you can find the big scary tigers. Yes, they're terrifying tigers indeed. And if it's too much for you, don't worry. She knows the domesticated form as well. How about your kitty cat? Yeah, adorable. I love that one. And you know what? She's a really, really special bird. She knows a whole song about animals too. Maybe if we're lucky, we'll get to hear some of that. What do you think?